Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Drew Wild. Today we are talking about I'd be on the phone until somebody was jobless. Doordash customer says he found used C in his Chick-fil-A bag. Honestly, man, I don't even want to go into like some kind of intro. I'm honestly getting sick thinking about it. We're just gonna hop into it. Sometimes a fast food order can bring unwelcome surprises, as one unfortunate Chick-fil-A customer discovered when opening their DoorDash delivery in a viral video. Back in 2016, the French burger chain Quick claimed to have found a chicken head in their meal. In August last year, a TikTok alleged that she was served fried paper along with her Zaxby meal. And in October, another user said they found an entire fried rat in their Popeyes meal, a claim that Popeyes denied. Alright, place your bets. How long in this video is it gonna take for me to... I don't even want to say it because I think it'll happen if I do. While some of these discoveries have been harmless, others are downright disgusting. The latter is the case with TikTok user Demarius Itskingcwell, who recently alleged that he was given a used C alongside his order from Chick-fil-A. The video currently has over 739,000 views. Oh, the things I do for content. I'm going to leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. How does that even happen? Seriously, how does that even happen? Like, at what period of time does somebody think from here to in the bag of any kind? I don't even care where in the bag it is. Next to the bag, in the fries, in the sandwich. How? Oh, this is gonna get me sick. In the video, Demarius says he ordered a Chick-fil-A sandwich with fries via DoorDash. He started eating his fries. He reached in to grab his sandwich, only to discover what appears to be a used C. First off, let the record show that I, about 5 minutes into making this video because of reading this stuff. Second, I can't even imagine being on the receiving end of this right now. I literally would have been like in this trash can for years. Like, it's hard enough for me to read this. Imagine experiencing this. Oh my God. Why aren't you at a doctor right now getting yourself checked? Like, what's going on? If the video is authentic, it is clear where in the process the C was added. For the love of God, please tell me it's fake. I'm not even kidding. I really hope that this is fake. My stomach can't handle it. If Demarius insists the video is genuine, writing in a comment of a later video that my lawyer is on it, I got my money back. He also seems to speculate in the caption that the condom was added by his DoorDash driver, writing, "DoorDash, I should have known some ain't right," because the tape was kind of off. Oh, we're just blaming on the DoorDash driver too. I really hope that the driver didn't feel a need to unseal the bag and slip something in there. No tip or otherwise, it doesn't matter. That's just wrong. You don't mess with somebody else's food like that. Again, that guy would probably need to go to a doctor at this point. You don't know what kind of diseases he could have contracted with that. In the comments, users shared their thoughts on Demarius' situation, with many saying that he did not react strongly enough to his unfortunate finding. That's a good point. If he's not reacting very much at all, then he either reacted a lot initially and when he calmed down, he made a video about it, or he wasn't reacting at all and this is a deep fake. And honestly, I pray for the latter. Ain't no way, because I'd be on the phone until somebody was jobless, one user wrote. I'm saying, better call and demand a franchise after that. Added another. A free chicken sandwich coupon won't suffice for that. Yeah, let's say it was the Chick-fil-A, not the DoorDash driver, right? A coupon that they normally give to shut up people is not gonna cut it. That is a lawsuit if that's the case. And if there's no lawsuit after this, then I don't even know what to say. If there's no lawsuit, especially since he said he was contacting a lawyer, I think it's irresponsible to not claim it's fake. I'm calling the police and going to the ER because what? Shared a third. Yeah, you're calling the police. There is a long list of health code violations on that, especially with added on the fact that it could be an STD, etc., etc. This is just insane. I don't even want to think about Chick-fil-A now. Now, whenever I think of Chick-fil-A, I'm going to think of C's. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. And then you pay me. There you go. I so hope to God that this is a fake TikTok. I really think that if this is real, not only should the people involved be arrested, this guy should be getting the building after that. Like, I'm not okay reading about it. Imagine experiencing it? Oh my God. And I don't care if you're a DoorDash driver who didn't receive a tip or whatever. Don't do this to anybody else's food. I swear to God, I will not be okay with that. Don't mess with somebody else's food. That's all I got to say. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.